Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, CD player, trip computer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, cargo net, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.